This is the first screen. Okay, it is very basic when you open your Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so welcome to Illustrator and the username is there. And on the left side, we have a very basic menu like new file, open, and home, learn, your file, shared with you, and delete. Okay, on the other side or in the center that we can see the recent file that we worked on. Okay, and these are all the presets. Okay, yeah, on the top there we can get the menus. Okay, file, edit, object, type, select, and effect, view, windows, and help. And on the right side there is a cloud icons and search. There is a one home icon and there is one illustrator, and here is also a illustrator icon. So simply if I click on this small icon AI, okay, I can get the workspace. There are lots of tools. Okay, you can make it like a two row or a single row. Here are lots of control panels will be here, and based on the tools and everything, there comes some of the customizations feature and some other control panel or some other details that you will get. Okay, if I click on a home, then it will revert first page. Okay, to create a new file there are multiple ways. First one is going to click on a file and new. Okay, and second is click on a new file. Okay, if you already created your Illustrator file, obviously you can open from here. Okay, these are the two basic options that you can create a new files. Okay, now if I click on file and new, so now the recent is used preset that you used, otherwise the place will be completely empty. You can save your own preset and it will listed here. Okay, if you are working with a mobile version, there are basic presets, so you can see the list of preset. Okay, beside this there are lots of template. If you are completely beginner and if you want to explore how the designer work, then obviously you can click any design and you can work on that particular template. Okay, so but personally I will suggest to try to create yourself, but whenever you are learning, obviously you are quite free to use other template and explore how they are working with the file and layers. Okay, how many paper you want in your Adobe Illustrator design. Okay, if you want 1,000 pages, obviously you can press like 1,000 likewise, and you can just create and it will give you 1,000 pages in one workspace. But obviously we don't need 1,000 pages at once. If we click on a print, then we can see some of the basic changes, so you can see here also. So there is a two different use cases. First is for the digital media, next is for the print media. Okay, and Adobe Illustrator is vector based. Okay, vector based means it is all the images, all the files, all the text, all the other shapes are based on some kind of geometrical shape. Okay, just remember CMYK color for print. Okay, and RGB color for digital platform. Based on the color variation, we need to understand the pixels. 72 ppi is good for the digital platform, or you can work on 100 ppi. Okay, not much more than that, because it will create a little bit large space for that particular file, and if you want to upload that file in website, maybe your website can be a little bit heavy. Okay, we need to keep our website as much as very light. Whenever we are working for print media, then we have to choose CMYK color here, color mode, on a color mode, and then we need to choose the resolution should be 300 ppi. I'm adding 2 mm of bleed over the top, bottom, left, and right in all four area. Okay, the extra area that we are seeing here, if we create a design, it won't save this extra area. So if I placed something here, what happens sometimes miss the space and we can place some kind of, there is a little bit gap, right, white space. If we like zoom out, then we can see there is a gap, whether there is a gap or not. So we saved the file and we send the printing, and once it come out, then there will be a small white space on the edge. There will be a white space and it will mess up everything. So it is the most important feature for the print media to save the color over the edges also. That's why we need to add the bleed. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you get the idea about the bleed and how to create a new file in Adobe Illustrator.